I'm as free a little bird as I can be. I'm as free a little bird as I can be. Gonna build my nest in that sour apple tree, where those bad boys will never bother me. Well, who's gonna shoe your little foot? Who's gonna glove your little hand? And who's gonna kiss your sweet rosy cheeks when you come home from that far distant land? Well, if Papa gonna shoe my little foot, Mama gonna glove my little hand, and it's you gonna kiss my sweet rosy cheeks when I come home from that far distant land. Take me home, little bird, take me home. Take me home by the light of the moon, with the moon shining bright, the stars giving light. Take me home to my mama, take me home, 'cause I'm as free a little bird as I can be. I'm as free a little bird as I can be. Gonna build my nest in that sour apple tree, those bad boys will never bother me.